Alright, so today I'll be working on this General Electric Peacemaker Microwave. And the thing with this microwave, it's not heating. Alright, so we're putting a fuse and the fuse keep blowing. So I did some tests earlier and the capacitor is the problem. Alright, so I will show you how to open this big microwave to get to the capacitor. Alright, so first thing, you have to go to the back. Alright, so this is the back. Right, to get the screws to take out the cover, the back cover, you have to remove this part, right? Right, you have two screws that hold this part. When you remove it, you find two end screws. Right, so you find an end screw on this end and one on the other end. Right, so you move it. Alright, so this is side, right? And on the side it has two screws to remove on the side, and then there's one screw on the bottom that hold the cover, right? So you have to remove this. So three screws both sides. Right, so you remove all three screws. Right, so then remove the three screws on the side. There's two screws on top. One on this end and one on the other end. So you remove that. And now you have to remove this part. Right, so you remove this cover and then remove this clamp that hold the cable, power cable. You have to remove this too. Alright, so remove it and get back to you. Alright, so this is the part on top. You remove this part and then remove the clamp that hold the power cable, right? Now to lift up this cable and going. Right, so I'll put it in. So this is the side of the microwave. As you can see, it has a fan, powerful fan. Alright, so the capacitor is on this side. Right, so the capacitor, the high voltage capacitor is across here. And this is the problem. This is why the fuse keep blowing and the microwave keep cutting off. It also have a smaller capacitor, right? So that's not the problem. This is the problem. So to get to this capacitor, there's a screw quite on the side, and there's no way a screwdriver could fit there to get it out. So what you have to do now is take out this grill. You see this fan grill? There's two screws that hold this fan grill. Remove it. There's one screw right here, and there's another one down to the end. So you move this grill. Right, so remove it and get back to you. Alright, them screws are very long, and now we just kind of pop this up. Alright, so here's that side. Alright, so you have the grill off. Right, so you have this grill to remove. Alright, so before I remove the capacitor, right, I will change the fuse and show you the fuse keep blowing. Alright, so that I will do first. Alright, so I'm going to put in a new fuse. Alright, and then Alright, so it's on. And if you watch, you can see the fuse will blow, right? Alright, so unplug it. Right, so now I will remove the capacitor. Right, so to remove the capacitor there's one screw that holds the clamp on the capacitor, and that is the ground screw. So remove this. Alright, remove the old fuse. Alright, and the capacitor. Alright, so remove the clamp. Alright, and now to remove the wires on the capacitor. So there's a red wire and a white. Alright, so the red wire and the high voltage diode hook up on one side, and on the other side the white wire hook up alone. So remove these wires. Now you gotta be careful whenever you're moving these wires, because you want to be careful that you get shock. So you're making sure you have a good big pliers, well insulated, and you're making sure not touching any of the wires or terminals. Alright. Alright, so this is the bad one, and now I will put in the good one. Alright, so upon the fuse first. And then the capacitor. Alright, so squeezing the clamp out a bit. Right, so it will hold better now. All right. All right, so now I put on the clamp. Alright, now the wrong screw. Alright, and now so far everything working good. And it's very hot. Alright, so it's heating too. So I'll unplug it. And I will put back everything together and get back to you, right? Alright, so there you have it. It's working good again. Thanks to Mr. Fix-It 360. Thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix-It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.